This is just a short video on how to operate one of the older MLC 226 IP presentation units. Most screens have an electric. This is a manual screen, so you'll have to pull that down. If it doesn't come down to the right height, you'll have to give it another yank to get it down again. Manual screens are finicky like that sometimes, so we will power that on. As you can see, we've got a built-in Mac and a built-in PC. Those have keyboards up here, which are normally not quite in this much of a mess. All right, so we see that we're fully on the screen with the built-in PC, but in this case, we're going to use our laptop. So I'm gonna switch this to HDMI. This out here. Firing up my computer here. You can see, it says HDMI, no signal right now. I'm just plugging this straight in. Once that's plugged straight in, the system should recognize it, and then you're up on the screen and you are ready to go. And that's all there is to it. If you're not getting any audio, you'll want to make sure to go into your preferences and select Extron.